If during your installation of Modern Mobile Suite for RMS, you encounter the error Invalid Object Name, mms.settings, during the database configuration portion, there are two primary causes of this error. The most common is the database compatibility level. You can double check this by going to SQL Server Management Studio, signing in and checking the database, right-click on your store's database, go to Properties, go to the Options section, and you'll see the compatibility level. MMS requires this compatibility level to be set at 2008 or higher. Note, if this option is not available, you may not be running a current enough version of Microsoft SQL Server and may need to upgrade. The second common issue is that the database version is not high enough. You can check this in Microsoft Store Operations Administrator. Note, this requires RMS to be at version 2.0.1000 or higher. You can double check your version by selecting Help, About StoreOps Admin. There's your version number. Then you can connect to your database. Open the database menu and select Upgrade, and it will show your current database version. Modern Mobile Suite requires database versions 2.0.5 or 2.0.6. Once these have been upgraded, you can go back to your database configuration and enter your credentials again. And you are now able to continue with the configuration of Modern Mobile Suite for RMS.